What is up, guys? AlexTV back in another video. Today we're going to be doing a 1K special desk review, setup review, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be reviewing everything I have, everything I bought, everything that's sitting on this desk. This is the 1K special, guys. Sorry that it's like a 20 subs, 30 subs late. I was busy creating more videos, and yeah. Without further ado, make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, we're going to get into my desk and everything I have right here. We're going to start from top to bottom. So on the top, we have my signed Mr. Beast shirt. Right here, it is worth about $30 right now since this is one of the newer ones. Over here, this one is worth between $100 to $200. This is the original signed Mr. Beast shirt for 40 million, and this one was for like around 45 million, 40 million. Over here, we just have a bunch of like these water bottles I got from Lithuania. It's a type of brand that you guys won't really know, but whatever, it's just there. These are just a bunch of different flavored water bottles over here, and one of them actually fell and exploded, so you know it was a strawberry one, but whatever. We got some glass ones. We have a sun-kissed orange cactus, a little painting, and over here I have my safe full of like random stuff. It's not even secure or anything. Over here we have some yearbooks, anything that should be kept, some passes and coins. We have some magnets and screws over here. Coming down, we enter more of the desk area. Over here is like literally nothing, and we have two monitors. This one's a 60 hertz, this one a 75 hertz. We have two water bottles. I do not know why I have sweet and sour sauce over here. I have a wallet. I have two hand sanitizers. I have one Alexa. This is the monitor stand. I do not have a monitor like mount, so I use like these ones. This one's actually a TV. This one's a monitor. I have a chapstick. I have some erasers, and I have a wireless UTech charger. I made a YouTube short on that. I have a webcam that's 1080p. It cost around like $50, so that's pretty good. There's nothing really hidden there. I'll show you my cable management. It's pretty good. We have my Corsair K60 SE keyboard. This was my dream keyboard for a very long time, for years. And yeah, it has like the memory foam armrest and everything. You could take it off. It's so clean. Right here it has some cherry switches, I'm pretty sure. Logitech G02 mouse. I had this for like 3 years. Moving down, I have some pictures of my middle school class, but I'm in high school now, so it doesn't matter. Some HyperX headphones, and then over here I have this $210 Ikea chair. It is the Marcus Marques. It has many features over here. It could like lock positions and stuff. It is pretty expensive, but it's worth it since I end up all day sitting on here. We have some more mechanisms and stuff down here. So yeah, over here we have my pencil thing and one of these cool lights. So what you basically do with it is you could fold it open like this. And then you have 3 options: on, brightness, and timer. It is a pretty cool light. You could switch it all stuff. I usually have it when I have to do homework and stuff. You just turn it off and you just fold it like this. And yeah, it could also rotate, flip, everything you want to do. I just put my like pencils, markers, everything on here, so like it'll be all organized. Under the desk, we have one of these Ikea Footrest. Is the best purchase I ever made for my setup. Moving this chair away, we could come under it. This is my cable management, guys. All this, everything you see here, all the LED lights up here that I go around, all come down through this wire and those 2 wires. That's how cable managed my desk is. Like, look. This, Alexa, the charger, everything you see, all the HDMIs, everything, all runs through that. So it is completely cable managed. You guys won't see a single wire besides those 2. Over here, I have a USB hub since I run out of USBs. As you see over here, I am using all my USBs. There's my Wi-Fi. And yeah, here's the cable mess, but it's hidden so you won't see it. On this side, you barely see it anyways. Over here, I got some PC upgrades. I got 4 sticks of 8 gigabytes, 32 megahertz, I forgot the word, but there it is. There's the new cooler. And yeah, nothing new. I got a 4 terabyte hard drive and a 1 terabyte hard drive. And that's nothing too new too. And yeah, I got my backpack over here and stuff. And inside the drawer, I have it pretty well organized. I have some mechanical pencils. I have all my LEDs since I write a lot. Some SD cards, 4 gigabytes, 32. This is 128, I believe. I have a 32 in my drone and a 64 on my GoPro. I have a remote for my TV. Since this is a monitor, it turns on by itself when the computer turns on. This one, you have to manually turn it on through the button. in the back right there or there. And I have my mic. I don't usually keep my mic in because it's like a pretty floppy mic. And I have 3 of these bricks, you know, it's really important. And back there I have a lot of receipts, yearbooks, and everything else. I do want to get a new IKEA desk. I will show you guys right here. This is one of my IKEA desks I want to get. It's gonna be way longer. It's gonna reach to the door. I could probably get 3 new monitors. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. But for now, this desk is kind of bad. As you can see, it's all like shaky. This one's about to fall. And there's my backpack because I have school tomorrow. You know, nobody likes school. Over here, just laptop, some books. I don't know what these are. Echo dot boxes. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the 1K special. Many people asked for a setup review because the old one for 360 subs was like completely, it was over there. But now this is my brother's setup. It's way better. He has a 240 hertz monitor, better keyboard. He has a Stream Deck, but mine is more organized, more like stylish and stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my setup review. It is completely different almost from the last one. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I've been working for years and years. I had 3 multiple channels, one with 100 subs, 328 subs, and this one is the first channel I got over 1K subs. Thank you guys so much. This was like one of my biggest dreams and stuff. And yeah, I finally got monetized. If you guys see an ad on this video, that means I am making money off it. If you don't see, that's either because I use copyrighted music and it's not monetized. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you all in another